All right, guys, continuing on with our lean series and how we try to be a visual factory. Today I have how we keep our trained employees progressing along. And with me, I got Jetonio Hayes. Jetonio is the assistant work leader in welding, and he's the one that primarily does our training and handles all of our new employees and our co-op students. Jay, if you could explain your training board here.
Okay, so this is our WireCrafters training board here. And what we try to do is we try to give as much detailed information on our new guys as possible. So we track their progress from day one when they start with us. We start from our most simplest panels, from our red and yellow booth, which is our 24 to 34U panels. And we go all the way through the process of doors, condo, MRP, independent stock, team welding, APOM, all the way up to our job welding. We have detailed the dates in which we feel their progress should keep going. Whenever you see red, for whatever reason, their progress will stall, whether that's due to management, whether that's due to demand. So each week, we fill out these folders match this board. So not only do we understand what's going on here, anybody that walks through, they can see firsthand where our new employees are, their progress, their percentages, their averages, and these folders do the same thing.